Hello everyone, this is Neha and you are watching my YouTube channel Big Leap Think Different. So today the topic which we are going to learn is congruency of triangles. But before starting that, I would like to make a request. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel because this encourages us to make more videos. Right? So let's get started. Now what is congruency actually? Okay, let's see. So congruency. So congruency is defined as something, the relation between the two objects of being congruent is something we say congruency, right? So congruency is a general idea which is applicable to both two-dimensional as well as three-dimensional shapes, right? So for this, learning the congruency much better, what you will need to do is to do one activity, right, which is you need to take two stamps or two sheets of any notepad, blades, anything, right, two same things, right, and when you will place one over the other, right, the one slides other completely, so that is what is actually the congruency. Congruency means same shape and same size. So let's learn the congruency for line segments, angles, triangles and some plane figures, right? So first, congruency of plane figures. So congruency of plane figures is if a plane figure covers the other figure completely, then both of the figures will be said that they are congruent. Like as you can see, figure 1 is congruent to figure 2 because the figure 1 can cover the figure 2 completely. So now let's learn congruency of line segments. So if two line segments have same length, then they will be called congruent. Also, if two line segments are congruent, their length will be same. It means that here a line segment AB is congruent to line segment PQ. Right? Now congruency of angles. If the angles have the same measure, any angles, if they have the same measure, they are called, the angles are congruent. Right? Also, if the angles are congruent, their measures will be same. Clear this much? Okay, now let's learn the congruency for triangles. The final and the interesting part, right? So the congruency of triangles. So here as you can see, the two triangles are given to you, that are triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So as ABC and PQR both have same shape and same size, that's why they are called congruent. So we express them as triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So you can see the symbol, this symbol which is the equal to and a curved line over it, right, that this is the congruency symbol. So by seeing these figure, and you know that the triangle ABC is congruent to PQR. So what does this actually means? This means that when you will place triangle ABC over the triangle PQR, or triangle PQR over the triangle ABC, P, it means vertex P will fall on vertex A, vertex Q will fall on vertex B, and vertex R will fall on vertex C, right? Same ways, line PQ will fall along line AB, line QR will fall along line BC, and line PR will fall along line AC, right? Now, if you know that the two triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts will be equal. The corresponding parts, what do you mean? By this we mean the angles and the sides will have the equal measure and will match exactly, or you can see the copies of each other, right? Thus, in the two congruent triangles, we have corresponding vertices A and B, B and Q, C and R. Same ways, corresponding sides, you can see AB and PQ, BC and QR, right? So BC and QR and AC and PR. So it is AC and it is PR. So corresponding angles, you can see the angle A is corresponding angle P, B corresponding Q and C corresponding R, right? So this shows that while talking about congruency, not only the measures of angles and the lines of the lengths of the side matter, but also you have to take a look on the matching vertices. If the vertices are not matching, it doesn't mean they should have same name. No, they should have, or they, if both angles and sides are corresponding, then the vertex should be matching. So it means that you have to also look after the vertex. So in the above case, the A is corresponding to B. So the two arrows or this sign is for the corresponding. So A corresponding B, B corresponding Q, and C is R. Sorry, that is not actually this, but let's see further. So we can write for this correspondence rule for this will be ABC corresponding PQ R. Right? Now, based on these properties and everything of congruency, it is not always possible to, you have to check for 3 sides and all the 3 angles of the triangles. It's not important. You can use any 3 of them, or you can check any 3 of them, and you can prove the 2 triangles to be congruent. So based on this, we have 5 classifications, right? 4 of them are very common, and the 5th one is AAS, right? So we will learn about them. So first among them is SSS, that is side congruency rule. Then comes ASA, angle side angle congruency rule. Third one is SAS, side angle side congruency rule. Fourth, RHS, right hypotenuse and side congruency rule, and AAS, angle side congruency rule. So these are the 5 classifications. We'll look further, right, sir? Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe, and you will be getting the upcoming part 2. For getting that, please subscribe, okay, and have a good day ahead.